Alrighty, so got some barkeeper's friend. The apparently this is for like, well, not apparently, this is for rust and gunk removal. Like new. Buffs out knives, marks, or your money back. So let's take a look. As you can see, little Ophelia wants to join, but little Ophelia is going to be in the way, so you're going down here, little cat. Yes. That's what we got to take a look at, so... Yeah, where's the... So yeah, okay, apparently. Let's start with the Hail Mary, eh? So what I read was room temperature, fill your sponge. And squeeze your sponge out. You just want a damp sponge, and put your barkeeper's friend. So am I gonna get a bunch of little stones here? Just like that. And then with your moist sponge, wow, look at those rust spots disappear. Wow, that's impressive. The thing looks perfect. I guess I didn't get paper towels out yet. That's okay, they're not far. Wow. Holy wow. Holy wow. Wow, yeah, that's brand new. Okay, let's do this side. So this is what we're starting with. So you can see, got some rust, the darker rust, and then the rest is just gunk and rusting, so yeah. So let's do that again. Wow, did that stuff ever, that actually blew me away. I mean, I knew it worked, but holy shit. Oh, that's a little bit more this time. Okay, there we go. Use the other side of the sponge. It just wiped that rust line off. Look at the dark down there. Gone. Wow. This is an impressive stuff. There's still a spot right there on the tip of the blade, eh? Still a little spot right there. Try it this way. That does it. Yeah, that little tiny spot, that's okay. Wow, eh? Look at that. That's, look at that. That is a clean new knife. Look at that, wow. Little spot right there looks like I could clean out, eh? Yeah, it does look like that, actually. Just a bit, should be enough. Perfect. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. She's done. You know where she goes? Back into her home. Perfect. Well, let's get to the rest. Let's go with the steak knife next. So I don't know if it's going to work for this. These are burn marks from me using it, me having to burn the knife or whatever peculiar use. Oh yeah, some of that's coming off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, wow, burn marks too, eh? Wow, everything. Wow, look at that. What burn marks? Scoop up a little bit of that. Yeah, there we go. You know what, I wonder... No, the coarse side is not the right option right now. Yeah. There's one spot there, yeah, so one little spot there that doesn't want to... Certainly better than it was. Beautiful. Still see a little bit of the dark, but that's because I guess it was a torch lighter, so it did heat the metal, but either way, beautiful, much better. Much better. And now, so I have to send this to get fixed, to get the blade point sharpened back, but you can see this is a beautiful steel. Sorry, yeah, let me center that a little better. That's K390. Beautiful, beautiful steel. But she ain't stainless, so I'm just gonna clean it. Yeah, there you go. You can see the dirtiness. Just gonna clean that up a bit. That looks like it should do it, but remember, you do this with a dry, well, not a dry sponge, but a barely wet sponge. Dry my hands at least. Alrighty. Time to get this K390 perfect. It's really, the messiness was up near where it says Spyderco. Oh yeah, that's good. It's like that needs force. Oh yeah. Let's try this side. Yeah, that side's nothing good. Well, that side's a lot better than it was, that's for sure. I think we're gonna might just have to accept better than it was. Oh yeah, much nicer. Let's do the other side quickly. There we go. does it for the Spyderco K390. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, a little bit, still a little bit there, eh? Maybe I will work this one a little more, but either way, it's a lot better than it was. So as we saw with the steak knife, it does the burnt tips, cleans that really nicely. And this one just has a little bit of gunk, so yeah, let's get to doing our Swiss Army knives. Important thing I'm finding is you want almost no water. I'm friggin' stripping this sponge naked of its water. It's a little damp though, you know what I mean? It's a little damp. Alrighty, let's get down to business. There we go. I'm surely not being shy with how much of it I'm using. That looks spick and span to me. A little bit of spots on the blade edge at the tip there, but we're gonna get rid of those. Yeah, let's get rid of those. There we go. There's also chunks out of the blade. You know, there's also that part of it. Let's get on to this. Let's show you the first side. Whew. Look at that. Look at that. Eh? Start with this side. Kind of see it's a little grimy. Alrighty. Let's get making magic. Ooh, there we go. That was the right angle. Maybe a little much, but that's okay. Alrighty. Miso the little cat, I don't think you should be up here with this poisonous stuff being used. Yeah, that's whiskey. I love that too. Not while there's poison, little Miso. I think that also looks perfect. Ooh! Ooh-wee! Oh, there is a little spot up there. Let's, I don't know. We're getting that little spot is what we're doing. These friggin' cats, eh? Anyway, yeah. Look at that, beautiful. So maybe we're gonna give this side, you know? Yeah. We're here to do this right. We're not here to. Someone actually could use a little more there. Look. I like to put the blade flat on here so I can just push hard. Oh yeah, there we go. beautiful. I thought this one was 3V. I forgot this one's 154. My other one, that one's 3V. This is 154. That beautiful shine. That's flawless shine, eh? Beautiful 3V. Beautiful 154. Bark Rivers. Look at these look at those mosaic pin handles. Absolute works of art. Beautiful. Look at these blades. Hey, YouTube. I appreciate you checking out the video, helping me, or just joining me along on the adventure, me cleaning up some Bark Rivers, some other knives, testing out that beautiful Barkeeper's friend magic. Anyway, yeah, really surprised with how well it worked, cleaning a couple of my super God steel Bark Rivers. Perfect, back to brand new. Anyway, if you liked what you saw, hit the video down there, a thumbs up, really helps me out. And if you like that, like seeing me clean those things up. I also do knife sharpenings, a lot of other outdoor videos, fishing, camping videos, GoPro videos of much content. Anyway, if you want to see that, hit me a subscription. Anyway, last time, I appreciate it so much. Take it easy.